The renovation of the Reston-Herndon bus operating division is extremely important for future bus services in the northern areas of Fairfax County. This major investment of over $13 million will enhance our capabilities of performing bus fleet maintenance and operational and safety efficiencies. It was important that we updated the facility to improve our ability to perform maintenance, heavy maintenance and preventive maintenance on the vehicle fleet. Employee workspaces and administrative spaces and training areas all received improvements as well. Prior to the renovation, many workers were working in the elements during inclement weather. Putting the fuel areas and updating those systems under a fuel canopy will provide for better workspaces for our employees. Additionally, we've added equipment in our parts and inventory areas that will improve efficiencies in inventory management. Bus services operating from this division provide key service in Reston-Herndon and the Dulles corridor. Last year, buses operating from this facility provided approximately 2.4 million passenger trips. As part of those new rail systems coming online, the Fairfax Connector will redesign its bus routes to provide vital connectivity to new rail stations within the Metro Rail corridor. It was great to have the ribbon cutting today and to see the turnout from all the elected officials from the Fairfax County and the town of Herndon, the county executive, and other members of the community. It's important that we celebrate this investment in our future in transit in the region.